Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add profiles in Crunchyroll, right? So it's very easy. We will just open our Crunchyroll mobile application here. Once we open, and by the way, if you're accessing it over your laptop or PC, the steps are exactly same. So in the bottom right side corner, you have to just go to your account and basically you have to find the membership plan. So if you are over your PC or laptop, then just type Crunchyroll membership plan and you will get this option. Now click on Go Premium. So by the way, you can only add profiles in Crunchyroll if you have mega fan or annual mega fan plans, right? And so this is the only way. And here it says that stream on 4 devices, right? By the way, if you just buy only a fan subscription, then there is a no way where you can just stream on very different devices or add more than one account. So if you just wanted to add more accounts or more profiles or stream over many as devices as you want, just go with this mega plan or annual mega plan, right? So this is it guys. I hope you found this video very useful. If you did, subscribe.